All right, all right. Fun with fire. Friday Night Lights, huh, Skip? Well, mine aren't as good as yours, but whatever. I got here some bottle rockets. Glittering light rocket from Dominator Fireworks. Come in a 6-pack. Yeah, they're not as cool as yours, Skimp. Warning, flammable rocket with report. There you go. Injury stuff. Rocket travels at high speed. Look out. Consumer Fireworks, DominatorFireworks.com. Check them out. So let's check out Glittering Light Rocket from Dominator Fireworks. Let's check it out. All right, nice autumn evening. Let's check this out. Nice Friday night. No report. Let's see that baby glitter. Let's try another one. Oh yeah, feel the heat, feel the heat. Well, it hangs in a while, round in a while, that glitter. These things got nice tails to them. Let's check out another one. Let's see. I like just before it goes off, it kind of does a little glitter on the ground. Feel like that? That's pretty cool. Nice. All right, pretty cool.